Hi everyone, so from the intro you would have seen that I have 3 new fountain pens and plenty of purple inks that I got from Yafa Brands, and I did a fun kind of unboxing video over on Instagram. I really feel like they don't have a lot of views or traction, and I'm just wondering, like, is anybody still on Instagram, or am I just not part of the algorithm? Like, I'm not on the right side of the algorithm. I personally really like Instagram Reels. I think they're fun to make, but I don't think Instagram likes me. I guess here's the more long form unboxing of these products. I have a bunch of different brands that are all under the Yafa brand umbrella. So I have Conklin and Monteverde pens, as well as Conklin ink and Monteverde ink. And then I threw in, this one is from Private Reserve, mostly because I really wanted to check out the different purples. Both of these, the Purple Rain, Purple Mist ink, both of them are 30 milliliters, and they come from the Core Ink collection. So Conklin is actually an American company that has been around for a super long time. The Private Reserve inks that are called the Infinity Extended Cap Off. I kind of regret getting all the same color, but the purpose behind it was to compare them. But I just have a whole bunch of purple inks now. I'm hoping that these will work also on not super fancy papers. Like, I really want to just use these on Muji planners and notebooks. So those are the fountain pen inks that I got. I know this is a little bit of a tease, but I will not be opening this. I just want to kind of go over why I selected it, and then I'll make another video that's kind of more in depth. But this Monza 3, it really caught my eye on the website because it is one single pen with 3 interchangeable nibs. So you can see there are 2 ink cartridges in there. This is just, I guess, for on the go. If you just like really need something in a pinch, you could definitely use those ink cartridges. Have fine nib, an omniflex nib, and a medium nib, all in one. So this is the Dakota. It's shaped like this because it's inspired by the Dakota fighter jet. I think it's a fighter jet. So I got this in extra fine. It's the Dakota Raw Flame. That finish is really, really beautiful. And it has a really nice weight to it. And I really thought that this was such a nice pocket pen. I'm thinking of what ink to put into this one. Maybe like a bluish, but maybe the purple, like a darker purple would work as well. So it comes in a really nice presentation, a really nice package. Inside you get 2 cartridges and then also instructions. So I really love how Monteverde and Conklin just packages everything so nicely. It makes it feel so luxurious, like really elevated. Here is from Conklin, and again, really nice packaging. And this one is really special. It is the Abalone. So they have this like a full abalone with like the shell and everything. I mean, with the lid and everything. But this one, I just thought it was really nice. It can be posted, but I think it can be a little bit weird. So you could just use it like this. But it's so pretty. I think this must be a resin. It's not really abalone because the pen itself kind of feels a little bit lighter. A lot of it is made with this kind of plastic resin, but it is still a really intricately made pen. I got this one in an Omniflex. But I love how this also kind of pulls a little bit of purple. So the inks will go really well, and it will be a similar situation. So that is hopefully a nice overview of these brands from Yafa Brands. I'm going to be making a few more videos that are a little bit more in depth, but this was my little, I guess, walkthrough of the different items from Yafa Brands through Private Reserve, Conklin, and Monteverde. So I'll catch you in my next video as I review these more in depth. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!